How to delete all chats on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete all chats on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and let's go back first, and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, chats. Click on it and scroll down until you find the chat history, and then just click this one, delete all chats, and if you want to delete it just click this one here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.